Hi my beautiful Sparks family, it's your girl Kaylee Sparks here with you today, and today we are going to make this super cute crochet 5 petal flowers, and they're super easy to make. Alright, so for today we are going to need a tapestry needle to weave in our ends, a 4mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and you can use scrap yarn if you choose, but we are going to use the Red Heart Super Saver yarn, and this is petal pink and bright yellow. So let's jump straight into this video. So we are going to start off by creating a magic circle. Wrap your yarn around your finger, make a cross, place your hook in between and pull up a loop. Make yarn over and chain one. So chain one more, and that's 2. Yarn over and go into the space with 8 extended half double crochet, or chain 2 is also classified as a chain. All right, so that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Let's count it to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, take this yarn that is right here and pull it together, and then create a slip stitch right where you have your chain 2. And that's our first round. All right, chain 1 and cut off that yarn, tug on it. All right, so this is how your work's supposed to look. Grab your next color, create a slip knot, and go right in between this space right here. Put on your slip knot on your hook, pull through, weave your ends while you go, chain 1, 2, 3, and 4, yarn over 2 times. We are going to do a triple crochet. Go back into that same space, pull up a loop, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over 2 times, go back into that same space, pull up a loop, yarn over, and you're going to pull through those first 2, yarn over, pull through those next 2, yarn over and pull through those last 2, yarn over 2 times again, go into that same space, and you're going to do the same thing, pull up a loop, let me do back that, sorry about that, yarn over 2 times, go back into that space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through your last 2. So we have 4 in all here. Our chain 4 is classified as one of our chain. So chain up 4 and slip stitch right into that starting space, and that's our first petal. So slip stitch into your first space, into the next stitch, weave your ends in while you are working. All right, so slip stitch into that first space and slip stitch into that next stitch and chain up 4, yarn over 2 times, go into that space and make a triple crochet. So pull up that loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2 again, yarn over 2 times, go back into that same space and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the next 2, yarn over 2 times, go into that same space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, chain up 4, go into that space with a slip stitch, and that's our second petal. Slip stitch into the next stitch, slip stitch into the next, weave in your ends while you go, chain up 4, yarn over 2 times, go into that space and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, yarn over 2 times, go back into that same space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2 again, yarn over 2 times, go back into that same space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through the last 2, chain up 4 and slip stitch right into that starting chain, slip stitch into the next stitch, slip stitch into the next stitch, chain up 4, yarn over 2 times and go into that space, pull up a loop, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over 2 times again, go back into that same space, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over 2 times and go back into that space again, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through your last 2, chain up 4 and slip stitch into that space, slip stitch into that next stitch, slip stitch into that next stitch, and pull up that loop, chain up 2, chain up 4, yarn over 2 times, go back into that same space, and this is our last petal, pull up that loop, yarn over and pull through 2, let me do back that, yarn over 2 times, go back into that space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over 2 times, go back into that same space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over 2 times and go back into that same space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, chain up 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this is the last one, slip stitch into that space, the same space, and then we're going to slip stitch into the next space. All right, for me, I'm just going to switch my hook because that section is just hard to find. So I'm using a 2.5 to make the last slip stitch. You can use the next one, but because I want to make this finish quick. So pull up that loop, chain 1, and then cut off your yarn. Pull up and tug on it. And there you have your petal. So you're just going to just weave in the excess that is at the back. So for this section here, we can just clip off this little piece right here. You can clip off this, but I always like to make a little weave in before I clip. So just go into that back. Take the end, place in, and pull up. Tug on it and cut off that yarn. For this section, do the same. Weave in from the back, not the front. Put it into your tapestry needle, pull through, and I like to carry back this the opposite direction just to make sure that everything is well fastened off. And pull through and just clip that little section off. Super cute. So make sure that you give this video a like and also leave a comment down below. So hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed before. So peace out, love you guys, until next time.